Hello all. Today I will show you how to do the scrap of inventory in SNDA module. This is our part 2 video. This is and I have taken this reference from the AO ERP MP Telecom Circle. He has made so fantastic lecture on this, and this is just for training activity, just for reference only. So for the creation of the sales order, I have we are using a transaction code VA01N. Okay, VA01N is a very basic transaction code for creation of the sales order, and here I am going to use order type is scrap sale order. Getting my points? Getting my points? So you need to choose the order type of the ZSC type. Getting my points? Sales organization is 1023 and distribution channel is direct sale and division is scrap, and just click on the enter. Okay, here sold to party, you need to fill customer code here. In sold to, I have created a customer code for scrap sale in MP Telecom Circle, and sold to party, ship to party, you need to fill the customer code. In PO number, you need to mention the decommission asset ID. Getting my friends? Decommission asset which is already done by accounts team. Getting my points? And PO date. Payment terms is immediate 0001 and deliver plant is 2304. You can choose your plant accordingly. In material, you need to fill this scrap type of the material which I've already extended in our MP Telecom Circle in 230 plant. This is scrap subscriber and installation type of the material. Order quantity is 2. Okay. Then go in the item overview. Always remember that the material which are started from the 6-2 is scrap of asset. 6-1 is scrap of inventories type of the material. So you need to convert decommission asset into the material. 9917065547 converted into material. Getting my points? So here I'm just explaining the how to create the sales order for ZSOA, scrap of asset type of the material, decommission asset to material. But for the inventory purpose, the process is similar. You need to the same material here. That is the ZSOI type. In item overview, you need to fill the storage location. And here you need to maintain price, basic price, MSTC commission, and GST. ZPR0 is basic price. This process I am explaining is pre-GST, from before the pre-GST period. Getting my points? So earlier there is a state VAT and the tax is state VAT. So do not worry about it. 543.93 is our basic price. Okay. 5% VAT is exclusive. That is 54.39, and total CST plus VAT, base plus ED plus ST is this. All the things are available here, and you need to maintain the MSTC commission. MSTC commission. Earlier it was 1.9%, but now the MSTC commission has changed now. So once you map MSTC commission, then it's automatically fetched for the set customer code or set material code. Need to save this data, and here is a pop-up for maintain gross weight. Just fill 1 kg. Getting my points? You just save. Once you save, then a sales order has been created. Now 632738, 632738. This is our scrap sale order created for customer. The meaning of this scrap sale order, that our this material which is already available in our inventory, which is booked in this sales order. Getting my points? Now the next part is create the outbound delivery, OBD. Getting my points? For the OBD, transaction code is VL01N, and the OBD is created with reference to scrap shell order. So in order 632738, the scrap shell order is showing, which I have recently created, and in shipping point 2304. Getting my points? And all the detail has been fetching. You click on the post good issue. Post good issue. Once you post good issue, an OBD number is created in the background. You just need to note down. You need to note down. Okay. So this is all about the second part. This is all about the second part of scrap shell order. You need to maintain this. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.